Looking for a reliable, high-performance orbital agitator? Meet the Refurbished Heidoph Unimax 1010 DT, precision mixing at its best. With digital speed control from 20 to 250 RPM and a 25mm orbital throw, it delivers smooth, consistent agitation every time. Built with durable, chemical-resistant stainless steel, this unit is designed to last, while integrated overload and temperature protection keep your lab operations safe. Easy to use, energy efficient, and low maintenance, the Unimax 1010 DT helps streamline workflows without the hassle. And because it's refurbished by Galileo scientific specialists, you can trust it's been fully serviced, recalibrated, and tested for top performance. Reliable, affordable, ready for your lab. Get yours today.